Well, hello everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land. Never land in the land, the rubber band. Yeah, this chief. Yeah, I just I'm doing an oil change right now on Bessie. The oil was real black, but when we first got this van, the thing looked pretty clean, but I think the oil might have degraded over time from sitting. But it's cool. I put some sea foam in there when a while back. I put sea foam in the crankcase and pretty much got everything out. She looked real good, looked clean. So that's all I got left to do right now is put oil in this thing. Took over half gallon just in the filter alone. I usually, it's a practice of mine that I use that I put oil in the filter before I install them. And the reason for that is I don't want this engine when I fire them up to starve for oil, because then I'll ruin a perfectly good million mile motor. So that part I got them covered. Yep, Bessie needs oil. I'm gonna start filling her up. Then later on, maybe tomorrow I'll get back to you guys. I got some other stuff I gotta do in Waimea. So with that, hey, this chief. Hello everybody. Mahalo for watching. Aloha wide.